Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to comment GIF on Instagram. For example, if you are having Instagram and if you want to get GIF comment like these, as you can see, there are many options available which you can simply put in your comments. If you are not getting this kind of option, then how you can do that? First of all, you have to close down the Instagram, and after that the first thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to click on general, and here you have to go to iPhone storage. In iPhone storage, what you have to do, you have to simply search for Instagram here, and if you search for Instagram you can easily find that. And here what you have to do, you have to simply offload app. After uploading, you have to check whether you have got that option or not. If you didn't get, then what you have to do next, you have to simply open the App Store, and here you have to simply search for the Instagram. And after searching the Instagram, you have to make sure that you have already installed the updated version of the Instagram, because many options are available in the latest version of the Instagram. As you can see, I have the latest version, that's why it's showing open. If it is showing any kind of update, then you will find the updates option here. And here if I am going to click on any post, and if I want to comment GIF, as you can see here the option available, and you can simply select any one of that to comment GIF on any post on Instagram. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, kindly subscribe our channel.